Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at it. How you doing? Hope you're doing great. I have this 2013 Mini Cooper Countryman. Just for the record, Cooper is Countryman Mini. And I'm gonna show you how to replace the engine air filter. Alright. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to support the channel. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for your support. Where would I be without you? Know what I'm saying? Show your support by subscribing to the channel, and click on the bell button so every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Alright, do that to support the channel. The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. See, this thing is like TV, regular TV. You know what I'm saying? It comes with commercials. You know what I'm saying? Commercials, propaganda, ad, advertisement, advertise, whatever you want to call it. It's like TV. You know what I'm saying? But in your phone, tablet, computer. You know what I'm saying? So watch those commercials. They last for 5 seconds, 10 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Probably you're gonna get like one commercial or two commercials that last like between 5 to 10 seconds. Watch it all, don't skip it, and that's how you support the channel. Alright, if you don't want to leave the tip on the table, you know what I'm saying, since you're watching this video for free. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Alright, let's do it. Boom. Now we open the hood, you know what I'm saying, we here in the engine bay. You wanna replace the engine air filter, right? And this is the part right here. That's the part number. Man filter for a Countryman. That's the part number. So in this case, let me show you how it looks like real quick. Looks like this. You know what I'm saying? Made in Germany. Shout outs to Germany. It's gonna go like this, alright? All you gotta do is remove this. Gonna come with bolts here, and then we're gonna open. But you gotta remove this. But this thing is gonna be connected over there. In this case, this one is modified, as you can tell. It has a cold air intake. You know what I'm saying? So you are not gonna need this. So in this case, all you're gonna do is blow some air so you clean that one. You can remove it if you want. You know what I'm saying? Remove it by loosening these bolts right here, disconnected, and then being outside, you just blow it like I'm doing right now. You know what I'm saying? Did I say that's the end of it? Yeah, that's the end of it. And now I'm down here. I'm gonna show you how to replace the cabin air filter. You know what I'm saying? Come here to the passenger side, the front passenger side. You know what I'm saying? Grab your flat screwdriver, and you come down here. You see this? Now what you're gonna do is all this thing is gonna come out. So you just gotta do it over there. You know what I'm saying? You can do it by finger, or you know what I'm saying, or this guy right here. Gotta like do it like that, do the magic. Okay. And you need a smaller screwdriver, flat screwdriver. See it? How would that sound? this. Go like that. Pa. You see that? So it looks like he has like a channel, you know what I'm saying? A guy. So that's the same way you see it, the same way you're gonna put it in. I just put it here. Like that. This one's really dirty though. Look at that shit. Okay. Ooh. Now the airflow gotta go like this. Alright. Let me show you how it looks like inside. Okay. Kitty. Now, throw this away. Now, this is the part for the support number 6431 64319. I'm saying, or that one right there, E2947LI. Open it. Now right here it tells you how it goes. Alright, so you're gonna put it like this. I'm saying. And just push it in. Fits it. Okay. Looks so Gucci. Push it all the way up. That's it. Now you close it. Close it just like that. Alright. That's pretty much it with this. Look all that. Wow. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I wanna leave it right here. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Support the channel by clicking on the bell button. So every time I upload new content, you're gonna be the first one to know. Alright, click on the like button, like this video, share this video, and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Alright, any questions, any ideas, any thoughts, put in the comment box. Alright, support the channel by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it. Watch the commercials, god damn it, or leave the tip on the table. Giddy. Thank you for watching. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo, Burum, Amaudi.